Other considerations. How much flexibility over operations is desired? What are the projected expenses and sources of revenue? Will donations or grants be an important source of revenue, or will the corporation seek investors? What are the government regulations and filing requirements for nonprofit corporations as compared to for-profit business corporations? How will any surplus revenue be used? How do the standards of liability for directors vary between nonprofit and for-profit corporations, and as compared to trust and unincorporated associations? This guide may help to answer some of these preliminary questions. However, it does not constitute legal advice. Additional guidance from a qualified attorney or other tax expert may be appropriate. Remembering, of course, the Abba Father Maternity House, the one I'm representing, is a religious corporation. But these are very important if you don't know where to start when you are thinking about forming a corporation of your own. Now, our next video would be on the steps to form a public benefit corporation, but we'll begin it now. A California public benefit corporation may be formed by completing the steps summarized here. Number 1, choose a corporate name. The first step is to identify an appropriate and available name for the corporation, which is a distinct legal entity under California law. California law does not require any particular words such as incorporated or INC to be included in the name of a public benefit corporation, but it prohibits the use of a name that is likely to mislead the public or is the same name of an existing corporation. Once a corporation name is selected, request a free preliminary check of the availability of that name by submitting a name availability inquiry letter to the California Secretary of State by mail or in person. To reserve an available name, this can be done for a fee and for a period of 60 days by submitting a completed name reservation request form to the Secretary of State by mail or in person. For additional information, contact the Secretary of State or view its name availability website. Again, the name of our organization is the Abba Father Maternity House, and this is a name that wasn't yet taken in the state of California, but it is taken now, so you may not take it. Okay, number 2. Draft and file articles of incorporation with the Secretary of State. A new corporation is born, that is, formed, when persons acting as incorporators or the initial board of directors file what is called articles of incorporation with the Secretary of State. We will pick up with this in the next video.